Hey guys, it's your girl Renee and I am at Walmart and I'm over here looking at the clearance prices and they have Gerber daisies for $5. They have mandavillas which are $3 and then they have canis up here but it's an annual for $5 and this one looks pretty good. Don't know what color that is but it looks pretty cool. And then they have these like fern, like air ferns up here for $7. And then they have these plants right here, which I got last year, and they were okay, but they didn't last very long for $3. And then they got my Persian shield. Persian shield. If you guys want a Persian shield, you can get it at Walmart for $5. Which is amazing. So let's see what else they got down here. They have Proven Winters. A little thing, and this is for $3. I think I'm gonna get this one because look how cute this is. For $3, I can afford that. And they have these purple petunias, but I'm into that. But they have Gerbers. Gerber daisies for $5. Look at the bloom. Beautiful. They have it in yellow. Beautiful. And then they have one that needs some water, and these are your snapdragons. And they are for $1. For $1. Let's see what else we got around here. Let's go check it out. But I'm so excited about the Persian shield. Let's see. Oh, let's go over here. They have these dianthus for $3. Got a whole rack of those. And this is the colors that they come in. Beautiful. And then they have some of your daylilies, which are $2. And they have a whole lot of them, and these are the colors that they have. Isn't that beautiful? That's the color. I think they're all this one color. That's pretty. And they got a few more things down here. Let's see. We got your grapes. They have them for $5. They got some pretty blooms on them. So they look pretty healthy for $5. Well, they say this price, but it's this price. And they got your hanging baskets, but no price on them. Well, let's go over here and see what's down here. Walmart is like, and then they have hostas, which are $5. Beautiful variegated leaves. And that hanging basket, which is $5. Beautiful. And they have these bushes, which are these ones, and they're 10. And rhododendrons, which is that price, but they marked it down to 10. And that's what the balloons and stuff look like. And they have azaleas, which are $3. $3. Foxgloves. How much is foxgloves? What? Wait a minute here. Now we might have stumbled upon something. These are $1. Oh my goodness. Yes. Love, love, love foxgloves. And these are $1. Miss Renee might have to jump on those. And we have these down here, which are $2. And they have these little baby delicate flowers. But what I'm looking at is foxgloves, baby. Foxgloves. Even though I have some growing, they won't be ready for a while. So I might get a tray of these. know I cannot pass up a good deal when I see it. And to me, this is a good deal. All I need is some cleaning up. Oh yeah. You know your girl was all over this one, so I'll get this one, this one, this one, this one. I'll get $5 worth. $5. That one looks good. Yeah, we'll get 5 of those. So those will be coming home with me. Tell you, always got to come and check out Walmart. Stick them down below. Alright, they got a boxwood. I don't need a boxwood, but from $14 to $15, no problem. Alright, guys, I gotta tell you, they got these cute little hanging baskets up here for $10. Alright, so I'll give you an overview of what they have on clearance in case you're interested. Don't sleep on those Persian shields though. Even though it's an annual, it gives you such amount of color for that annual. Alright guys, I'm going to leave it here. And I'm going to leave you with something beautiful to look at, which you know will be this Persian shield for $5. Alright, if you're at Walmart, stop by, check out some of these clearance prices, and see if you can see anything you like. Alright guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later.